In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a task in Microsoft To Do so you can quickly reuse your existing work without starting from scratch every time. This is really helpful if you have recurring tasks, similar projects, or routines that only need a few tweaks instead of a full rebuild. Let's start with the basic action you need to take. First, find the task you want to copy in your list. On a computer, move your mouse over that task and right-click on it. If you're on a phone or tablet, press and hold the task until a small menu appears. That right-click or long press on mobile is what opens the options for that specific task. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Duplicate Task and select it. The wording is usually very clear and you only need a single click or tap here. As soon as you choose Duplicate Task, Microsoft To Do will immediately create a copy of that task for you. You'll see the new task appear directly below the original one in the same list. In many cases, the new task will have the same title with the word copy added to it. In some versions or views, it may simply appear as an identical twin without that extra word, but it will still sit right under the original, so it's easy to spot. From there, you can click or tap into the copied task and adjust anything you need, like the title or details. Now, it's important to understand what actually gets carried over when you duplicate a task. The notes you've added to the original task will be copied as well. That means any additional details, instructions, or links you wrote in the notes field will appear in the duplicated task too, which is great for keeping context. If you marked the original task as important using the star icon, that important setting is also carried over. The duplicate will be starred as well, so it remains highlighted as a priority in your list. However, not everything is duplicated, and this is where many people get confused. Planned due dates do not carry over. So if your original task had a specific due date set, the duplicated task will not automatically inherit that date. You'll need to open the copied task and manually set a new due date if you want one. The same is true for reminders. Any reminder times or notifications you had on the original task will not be copied. After duplicating, you should add a new reminder to the duplicate if you still want to get notified about it. Finally, if your original task had steps inside it, and some of those steps were already checked off as completed, those completed steps will not carry over in that completed state. The idea is that the duplicate should be fresh and ready to work through again. You may see the steps structure come over, but you should expect to recomplete them or recreate them if needed, so the new task can be tracked independently. So to recap the flow in a natural way, right-click or long press the task, choose Duplicate Task, look for the new copy just beneath the original, and then update the due date, reminders, and steps as needed. With that, you can quickly create consistent, organized tasks in Microsoft To Do without rebuilding everything by hand each time.